Pokemon fans, you definitely want to check out this Pokemon Adventures Gold and Silver manga box set. It has volumes 8 through 14. Comes with this really nice little box. It's like a light cardboard box. So you can see these are all the manga that it comes with. So there you go. And then these are the manga, of course, on the side. So this is volume 8 through 14. So I'll take them out for you so you can see and check them out. Let me put this to the side. So you have, this is a little paper. So you have all the manga here. So they're pretty big, each one. And then I can show you a little bit. So this is volume 8, volume 9. You can see the quality of the manga inside. Looks pretty good. I personally have not played Gold and Silver, but I do enjoy reading the manga because it just gives a little more of a little bit of a silly vibe than the game. And of course, it goes way faster than the game because you can run through the entire Gold and Silver series pretty quickly. Instead of playing the game, which would take hours and hours and hours and hours. If you want to just get to the main story, you can just read the manga. So of course this isn't all of it. This is 8 through 14, so you're missing 1 through 7. And then this is volume 10. This is volume 11. This is volume 12. And we have 13. And this is, and I didn't show the back of a few of them. And then 14 seems to be the biggest one. So this one seems to be a little thicker than most of them. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. Definitely you want to check it out. And if you're a Pokemon Gold and Silver fan or just a Pokemon fan and you like manga, you definitely want to check this one out, and hope it was helpful.